Manufacturing industries are a key pillar of the Indian economy. They transform raw materials into finished goods, add value to resources, and support economic growth. The manufacturing sector plays an important role in employment creation, income generation, and national development. Importance of manufacturing industries to an Indian economy. 1. Contribution to GDP. Manufacturing contributes significantly to India's gross domestic product, GDP, strengthening economic growth. 2. Employment generation. The sector provides employment to millions of people, including skilled, semi-skilled, and unskilled workers. Example: textile, automobile, and steel industries employ large numbers of workers. 3. Value addition to raw materials. Manufacturing increases the value of raw materials by converting them into finished products. Example: cotton is processed into textiles and garments. 4. Promotion of industrialization. Manufacturing drives industrial development and encourages the growth of related industries. 5. Development of infrastructure. Industries stimulate the development of roads, power supply, ports, and communication facilities. 6. Boost to exports. Manufactured goods form a major part of India's exports, earning foreign exchange. Example: automobiles, textiles, pharmaceuticals, and engineering goods. 7. Support to agriculture. Manufacturing provides inputs such as fertilizers, machinery, tools, and pesticides to agriculture. 8. Regional development. Establishment of industries in backward areas helps reduce regional imbalances. Example: industrial corridors and SEZs promote local development. 9. Technological advancement. Manufacturing encourages innovation, research, and adoption of modern technology. 10. Improvement in standard of living. Availability of a wide range of affordable goods improves the quality of life for people.